What's up? Just look this shot. Let's get jump on it in Premiere Pro and let me show you how I did it. So now right here I'm in Premiere Pro and this is my video clip. Okay, this is my final result. Okay guys, now you see I tried to put my light here to point through the background in order to remove my green screen well. Okay, so and let me just come up here for this project panel. Okay, these double arrows effect, and let me search Ultra key to remove this green screen. Okay, and then let me just put it here on this clip, and then just come up here for this effect control, and this is my Ultra key setting. So now let me just click here on this icon and let me remove this green. Okay guys, you see it's not removed well. So what am I going to do? Just come up here for this composite and then click on this alpha channel. But before you click on this alpha channel guys, you can just come up here for this default and then check it out for this aggressive if this green screen is removed well. Not good. Okay, now just come up here for this composite, click here for this alpha channel and open up this matte generation, because I just want this subject white and the black completely black. So let me just increase decrease this highlight about the shadow. I have to, yes, increase this shadow and tolerance, so the pedestal, yeah, something like this. And let me just increase, yeah, so guys right here I think so where my subject was, yes, it is good. Okay, so and what am I going to do guys? So let me just come back here for this composite. Okay, and I'm going to crop where my subject is, or to mask. Okay, let me just use this opacity and let me just mask where my subject it is. Okay, something like this. Yeah, something like this guys. And then I have to play, let me see, you see guys, this, it is in frame. I just want to do like this guys. Okay, even right here too, yeah, yes. So for the back is also, yeah, getting into the mask. So now right here to my subject, it is masked well. Okay, and then I have to make sure, yes, all the stuff it is going good. Okay, and then guys, now after masking this, yes, subject, what am I going to do? And I'm going to create my background. So let me just take a screenshot right here, export frame. Okay, and then make sure the format is GPG. Okay, so now it is gonna be saved on desktop, and then let me press OK. And then guys, let me jump on my Adobe Photoshop. Okay, and I'm going to import that image that have been already exported in Premiere Pro. Okay, so let me go to check it out on the desktop. Yeah, this is my image. All right, okay, and then so what am I going to do guys? Let me just create the layer. Okay, this layer must be a white background. Okay, must be a white background. Okay, yeah, something like this. Okay, but let me just add like a little bit, not completely white. Okay, and then so let me just close this layer, and then let me just create another layer. Okay, so this layer must be, so this second layer I just want to add like another, yes, design. Okay, but this design must be red. yeah, red, this one, okay, and they have to add like a cycle, yeah, something like this, guys, okay. Yeah, this is nice. Yes, I tried to put it on the center of this frame. Yeah, this is nice. And then let me, yes, this is good. Maybe here, guys, if you just want, you can like add a title you want, okay, but for me, yeah, this is a really good. And then here too, let me just add like something which is on the border of my this frame, okay. So I have to add like a black, okay, and let me just come up here for this icon and make sure I'm using this, yes, this frame, yeah, this icon, okay. And then so when I try to add, yeah, something looks like this, guys, now you see what is happening to my background, okay. Yeah, this is a really good. Okay, yeah, this is nice. And then I'm going to save, yes, this background, okay, as normal image, JPEG, okay, or PNG, okay. Let me just save it as JPEG already on the desktop too, okay. And then let me just come back here on my Premiere Pro and let me move this layer above, okay, and I'm going to import my image, okay, over here on desktop. Let me just put it down, okay, something like this. And I have to extend how long this clip it is. And guys, and I'm going to click on this layer and let me move my subject, yes, right here too, okay, on the center of this frame, okay. Yeah, this is good. And then so what am I going to do? Let me just come back here for this opacity, okay, where I have already masked, okay, and I try to mask to put it further here on my clip, yeah, something like this. Yes, all right. And then just come up here for feathering, yes, this clip, something like this, okay. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, this is what I want, guys, you see right here too. And then what am I going to do? Let me just click on this clip and just come up here to color workspace, okay. This subject must be completely white and black. So now you see how it is looking. Yeah, this is looking good, okay. And then let me just increase the contrast right here too, okay. And also I can reduce some, yeah, little exposure. Now you see how it is looking, okay. Yeah, this is good. So and then what next, guys? I just want to add like a grain. Yes, I just want to add like a grain effect in order to be looks like cinematic, okay. So, but before I add this grain, okay, let me just add like, yes, a small look, okay. Let me just create an adjustment here too on this project panel. Go new item, adjustment layer, press OK, and let me just add it right here above. Let me just put my adjustment layer on the top of this clip, okay. And then so I have to use like these wheels, okay, match in the black. Let me just add like a green, okay. In the highlight too, yes, I can add any color I want, okay. I have to make it more cinematic, okay, something like this. But on my green screen, guys, there is something else, okay. I can just add a little bit right here too. Yeah, this is looks good. And then so what am I going to do? Let me just add like a grain, okay. And also I'm going to add it on this adjustment layer, okay. Let me come up here on this effect and then let me search the effect called, yes, grain or noise, okay. It's the same, okay. Let me just add it, the noise here too. And then let me just come up here for this noise amount. Maybe let me just add like a 10. Let's see if it is too much, okay, for this noise. Yes, you see there is some noise right here too. If you just want, guys, you can just add like more noise too. Okay, yeah, but for me, let me add just like, yeah, 25. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, now this is what I get. So now this is how I create this simple cinematic scene in Premiere Pro. Alright, so and then this is the way I use. So guys, and you can try it for yourself. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below and let me know what you think. Subscribe, share, leave your thumbs up, and I will see you in next video. Peace.